Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine Steam error. So let's start. The first step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click, after that select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in Steam. Go to Steam 32-bit, right click, after that select End Task. The next step, make sure you open the Steam launcher. So firstly, go to the Steam logo right here in the top left corner. After that select Check for Steam client updates. Make sure you have the latest version. After that, go once again to the Steam logo and select Settings this time. Now go to Downloads. After that select Clear Cache and then select Confirm. After that go to Storage and go to these three dots and select Repair Library. Next go to Library and then go to Collections. Search for Wallpaper Engine. I will use this game as an explanation. So go to Manager right here, which is this gear icon. After that go to Properties. In the launch options, make sure to write this command, which is -tx11. Next go to Install Files in the left menu. Make sure to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Just wait for the process to finish and any corrupted file will be recovered safely. And that's it. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.